guys, so Saturday morning again. I need my hair cutting done. I know. I'll get that done this weekend at some point. So just pick my van up, shut it gates, and then we're going to one this morning, like 10 minutes up the road. That driver's window won't shut on it. So hopefully won't be anything too serious for Saturday morning. As I was supposed to do this job yesterday afternoon, but I couldn't get there before they shut. So, right, get his gates locked, get in van, let's get there, come on. Right guys, so ignition on. Motor's working, but it sounds like it's all dropped to bits inside. So we'll take the door card off and then have a look. Right, so this motor, I'll just operate it so you can see. See the whole motor's not secured to anything. The whole motor and the door's moving around. So what we'll do, we'll take this panel off here and then I'll probably have to go and get one controller. Right, as you can see lads, that bit there is supposed to be connected to that bit there. And what they do, you see there it's gone elongated. It rips it off these riv nuts for some reason. So I haven't got any riv nuts right like that, so I have 10 minutes away from the yard. We'll nip back and get another, I think, and come back and fit it. Right, so anybody who follows me on Instagram, you'll know that I'm on an oil cooler job as well at Chorley. It's like a fallback job when I'm on the road. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that window motor off this truck because it's not something we stock. So I'll just pinch it off this one for now and then we can order one on Monday. So I'll just put the cab down and then we'll get the motor off this one, nip back to that customer and get it fitted. Just so coming out, they were just closing the road because of road planing. So they're ripping out the road up. So that means I've got to follow a diversion route back to the customer, which will probably put some time on the job, but it is what it is, isn't it? I managed to get in to the customer just as we were setting the cones and the signs up and everything. When I was coming back out, I said to the bloke, I'll be able to get back in about an hour. He's like, no, I'm shutting the road now, mate. So this is what it is. So yeah, so what we'll do, that's cab down. We'll do the job again, take that off, motor out, job's a good one. Yeah, so here's a quality second now one I've just took off that truck. See how it's supposed to mount to it. But obviously, that one's got other ideas. So yeah, shoot back to the customer now, and we'll get this fitted and job's a good one. Right guys, so we're back here. Let's get this window motor on. And yeah, job's right. That diversion route wasn't too bad, didn't delay me too much. Now, on my way here, I had to pull over and sort of breakdown out. Up in Scotland, only an hydraulic pipe, so I've just rung Pertec, got them to go out to that. So that was nice and easy. So yeah, right, let's see if we can get this together now. Right, so what we'll have to do is start by lifting the window up and sitting it in the roof on the bottom. And then bolting it in. Just like that, he says. Just like that. Right. I've left the bolts in the van. No, I haven't. The bolts are here on the floor. Right, so that's them. So slide that bit into the window trap. Pull this window up and slide it in, should be set. Just bolt it there like that. That bolt up there's loose as well, so we're tightening that up while we're here, I think. I like to call this place Waste World because there is every type of waste comes in here. It's amazing what they do here. It really is. How they process it and everything else. So that's that on. I'm tighten that bolt up there that looks loose. The bolt is loose, isn't it? The screwdriver and tighten that screw up. It shouldn't have a screw in there, it should have a bolt in that, but never mind. Right, we'll grab some cable ties and clip the loom back up. And that should be nice and easy at that. Right, grab some cable ties. Cable ties, cable ties, cable ties. And that's it. We'll bang it together. That's that tightened up. Some cable ties through here toward the loom now. Like so. Cable tie, just hold the loom in these, that's all. Right, so that's it back together. All bolts are in. Just check to make it's tight. Window's now working. So we'll get the spare card back on now. Deal with that in a minute. I don't know what's happening with this, I don't know why somebody's put them in it, but put it back as it was, you don't tell them all the clips it is. It's a Heath Robinson way of doing it, if you ask me. What else I noticed was the door pocket. See how it had the proper screws on it. They glued it busy places. You really gotta watch what you're doing in here. Not like you get run over because they're all good lads, but just don't see enough there. I see what they've done. Why would you do that? These door pockets come new, you've got to drill the holes for them. So why don't you just drill the hole for it and put the bolt in properly? Why would you do it like that? Some people really try my patience. Right, I'll get a drill them and then pop it on. Yes, literally when they come there's no holes here, so you get, when they're new, there's no holes in them, so you just drill the hole there and there. And it's right then. Why somebody's decided to glue it on instead is beyond me, because it's only pratted about getting glue and all the rest of it. You could literally just drilled it. Still, now the dreaded the fucking nut. You can never get on unless triple jointed. The make no spanner, tighten it up. Oh, my spring smash, Wayne's World. Wayne's World, Wayne's World, very time, excellent. Bit like being here, isn't it? Waste World, Waste World, very time, excellent. Big site this. It is a big site, I know. Just think how much waste comes through this place in a day. Could be a lot. I talked to a bloke who works here. He used to work at a different company we got to, and he was telling me what they get a day or a week. I can't remember what it was. A day or a week, just in nails. So when they process the waste and the wood and whatever, they must shred the wood or whatever they do with it. So I presume the machine must have a magnet on it to pull the nails out. A phenomenal amount. I'm talking like tons of nails, just nails. How many nails do you need to make a ton? Waste nails. I can't remember what it was now. It was so ridiculous. Right, so that's that nut tight now, or more or less tight. The door pocket back on. That's his window working, so what we'll do, we'll shove his gloves and whatever else he had in his door pocket. Good view of my glasses there for you guys. Should wear my glasses all the time, but unfortunately anybody who does this job will know they're more of a hindrance sometimes. I can tell I'm not wearing them though, because I don't get headaches. So, and I can't wear contacts. That doesn't happen. I know, like when I've been to hospital with something in my eye, it's absolute nightmare because you put your head in that clamp thing, don't you? And you just clamp your head. I'd like that. So last time I got some metal in my eye. I went to the hospital and they clamped my head in this thing, and I moved back. And it fetched the desk back with it. So they ended up they've propped me against the wall. So if I couldn't go any further back, so they could dig in my eye and get a piece of metal out. But since then I've learnt my lesson and I've bought some goggles, because that, anyone will know who's had metal in their eye. This pain's unbelievable. Right, one last time. We'll put these in office, sign out. Jobs are done.